Hello, it's April and welcome to my toy world. Today we're building a Playmobil farm diorama in our tray. Let's start by adding some fence pieces and plant pieces to our diorama tray. We'll put some fencing here for animals and more fencing on this side. And we'll have a fence over here. Let's add some plants to our farmyard. Here's the chicken house. It can go inside the chicken yard right here. The chickens can live in this house here. We'll add some more plants. We'll add this one near the chicken coop. And some grass over here. And some flowers right here. And more grass right here. Now we're ready to add our animals. We'll put the cows in this pen back here. We have a black and white cow and a black and white calf. We have a brown and white cow and a brown and white calf. And we have a brown cow. And a little brown calf. So we have so many cows in many different colors. In the corner here, we'll put some pigs. We'll make a little pig pen. Here's a tan pig with gray spots. And here's a little baby piglet, also with gray spots. We have these two pigs here. These are gray pigs. Put them here and here. And we have this little piglet here with brown spots. Such a cute little piglet. Out here in the yard, we'll add some sheep. Here's a sheep. And here's a sheep. And here's a third sheep. We also have this sheep here. It's a little bit different. And another sheep here following along with the whole flock of sheep. And we have a few little lambs. This one here. And this one here. And this little one here. We also have goats. Here's a goat. Looks like a billy goat. Now we have this goat here. And this goat here. They're all different shades of brown. We also have two little goats. Baby goats are called kids. Now let's add some chickens to the chicken yard. We have a brown chicken. This chicken will be in the hen house. Here we have two white chickens. They'll be walking around the chicken yard looking for seeds. We'll put fresh hay in the hen house so that the chickens can rest and lay their eggs. Here's a black chicken. This one's walking right here. And here's a rooster. The rooster wakes everyone up on the farm with a loud cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster will be walking around the yard with the chickens. And the chicken yard is full of baby chicks. There are so many baby chicks following around the hens. We have that one and this one. And this one here. And three more. We'll put the baby chicks throughout the chicken yard. And we'll add some chicken eggs to the nests in the hen house. The chickens have been busy laying eggs. The farmer has even collected a whole basket of eggs. We also have a horse on the farm, a gray speckled horse. He'll be back here. And a donkey. There's a donkey on the farm. He's looking over at the chickens. Here we have a goose exploring our farmyard. He's smelling the white flowers. And we have a duck. A white duck. This will be over here near the sheep. We have a little rabbit sniffing the air. And this one's sitting beneath these flowers down here. Another little gray rabbit. The farmer also has dogs. Here's a brown dog. And here's a dog with brown and black patches. We'll put it back here by the horse. The farm also has so many cats. Cats and kittens. Here's a black cat. And a playful little black kitten. Here's a white cat. The white cat's curled up on the grass near the pig pen, while the little white kitten plays nearby. And a little tiny gray kitten right here in the front. Here we have a little baby horse, a little foal. It will stand near the big horse. And lastly, we have two little mice who like to walk around and explore the farm. We'll put one on top of the hen house right here. And this one will be next to these flowers right here. The tiny mouse is smelling the flowers and looking for seeds. Let's add some hay for the horses and cows. We'll put it right there. And we'll put some hay out for the goats and the sheep. And we'll bring some carrots to the pigs. And for the horses. And those are all of the animals in our farmyard today. We have an area for cows, pigs, goats, sheep, chickens, the horse and the donkey, as well as all of the other creatures that live on the farmyard, like the cats and dogs, the goose and the duck, and the little mice and rabbits. Let's go ahead now and take a close-up look at our farmyard. Was our farm animal diorama today. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the different farm animals today, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.